Nizan Khan English Premier League match khat khelni in Fulham in Chelsea an mi khuala Fulham hian season masa a Real Madrid kai hruai zok tu Alvaro Arbeloa Liverpool defender thin ruai tharin ani kai hruain hnuaya Premier League an match masa berania Chelsea po hian Liverpool midfielder thin Xabi Alonso an roi hnuwa Premier League an match masa berani team pani kai hruai tu Arbeloa le Alonso te hi Spanish veve ni bokin Spain tan major trophy te po an choi dun towa Spain golden generation a tel phak veve ni in club level a po Liverpool tan an khel dun thina annuwa Real Madrid tan an khel dun le bok player an ni lai atanga in hrechiang tuna coaching an lu chil hnuwa in ma chon ngai ta si an ni Alonso hian Arbeloa coaching lama ain mang tamai hi makati thu soin coaching lam hi chu alu chil aring sa lem lawa ma se coach ani arin lau hi Premier League ka coach anga ama chon masak ber ani ta thung he match Fulham khelmola khela hian Arbeloa hian Real Madrid atanga alaklu Gonzalo Garcia le Palacios te bultan tir ngalin Alonso hian Bayer Leverkusen a aman thiam tak back thi mangin bulatana Levi Colwill Maxine Lacroix le Achiampong Tetlar nunga dingin midfield a Jorel Hato Romeo Lavia Reece James le Malo Gusto te atlar boka Tlarma Morgan Rogers Joe Pedro le Cole Palmer ten bulantan bok Blues hian an attacking back three in anungan dola an defense chuan Fulham lam hian an nor chuan back five fa Blues hi an in siamrem le mai zel Alonso hi a in khellaya defensive midfielder thatak ni in defense poimozia hrechiang bertur te zinga mi ania chu Chelsea a hian kan hmu chuti rual chuan inven lama du thu an la sam lo deu gol nga luna match a hian Chelsea hi gol thum gol ni in chakma sela point thum nen result thana in bultan ma se gol ni an chua awang le Fulham in chance thadang an nei te ngai tuain tlar nung lam hi la in siam rem deu an ngai ti achiang he match a hian minute khat em po an khel zo ma in second samthum pakhat na Joe Pedro an Palmara ball pass thatak lutin gola achantira annuwa Fulham in moi taka khelin Chelsea tlar nung an thiat chiang le amor bok tu king an chiang setin apet gola Chelsea goalkeeper Sanchez Khan ati thatok lo deu ma se mini somli pakhana Lacroix ball cross thazet veng tu nei lo Rogerson penalty area chunga tangin apet goal vele a British player man tamber record chel tu Rogersian Chelsea tan Premier League match a khel masak bera goal poimo akhung ngal first half a hian Chelsea hian goal ni goal khatin ma an hruaya second half a Blues hi bultan thazok ni bokin chance tha an nei goal an chantir le a mini samli pakwana Joe Pedro ball pass Palmaran Fulham goalkeeper kapkara pe lutin Chelsea goal thumna akhunga he match a hian Palmer le Pedro te hian goal khung tur anin siam sak ve a an combination thata kan muthar le Rogers po atangkai hle Fulham hian an finishing thatok lo an tuara point lo chuak zo lovin an mani khelmola hian goal thum goal ni in atlom zoka an tang Ploma sela Fulham hian lomna tur an neya chu an fighting spirit thatak le an game moi takha ani Fulham hian Chelsea a in ball an changtam dai zoka an khel kha Hmuhnawm atling an tempo asanga an passing skills kha Hmuhnawm tham ni in Chelsea tlar hnung tan po ven an harsa a goal ni an khung te kha an van nei wang ni lovin an phu hlia ati ngam Chelsea po Alonso hnuaya an nung tha hlea an game aran pialama team work tha an lan tira mani ma siala wanga chance tha khoral atam lo khop mai anin du sakton thiama chuan an game ating het le zual Cole Palmer a Hmuhnawm thar le ati theya he English player hi season masa a bese phak chelo awanga kumin World Cup khel tura thlan zinga po telve talo ni in Alonso hnuaya ero Palmer thiam taka kha kan muthar lea Palmer hian Chelsea attacking player mo phurna lian changin an khai pa ni atlina ama atanga ball chuak athathin le achevel amoya a movement dik thin lutu khan Chelsea tan tu te a Cole Palmer Ropui taka kha tun season a hian mu thar le beseina asiam lian don Alonso hian an fullback te amang tangkai leya midfielder player pali ada zinga asira omte defender niin Dutch defender Jorel Hato le French defender Malo Gusto te bulachantira anni hian defending le attacking a asir an lualum tha a an tangkai le kha khan Chelsea goal bo atina zuala an khel kha tinhe ne angchi omia lavin atang at maya in khel Hmuhnawm tak kan hmu ani he match a hian Chelsea midfielder Enzo Fernandez second half a lutir niin khelmuala alu don atangin fans lamin an bu khuma bu khum tu tam jok chu Fulham fans an ni Enzo hi tu hnaya City nen soizom an nia Chelsea in athak na tur ngai tua an boilo na turin hun bi tiamin dor thei hun an siam ma se hun tiam chungin engma ti felani lova Chelsea hian kan hral to love an ti ma se Enzo chungchang hi adai thei chuang lova hetiang boruak ane renga wang hian Chelsea fans engemozat an lom lova an ngai thei lo tial ni inalang Fulham fans te eroin FIFA World Cup kumina khelzo ta ka Argentina le England in kheltrum Enzo nge poina goal khunga Argentina in England an le thalna an petlak na mecha ache dana wang khan an lom lova an bu khum ta lua ani Chelsea kai hretu Alonso hian Enzo chungchanga hian thuthar soin footballa thil thleng zong te hian min thongai lem lova tunkara hian enge thleng ti po kan la muwang atia Enzo hi achwale chwalo engma ala chiang lova chuak thei ani ti ero achiang thara ngayani heti lai hian Fabrizio Romano an atarlan tharbera chuan Enzo Fernandez hian Manchester City ina an som na pomin City le Enzo te hi athuphungin anin rem towa City hian Enzo Fernandez an laklu theina turin Chelsea ina an be seiza transfer fee an the chuak ngamani chuan City le Enzo Fernandez te hian ziakin contract an da thei to don ani chuwangin Enzo hian Chelsea a hian arilru apelutuk to lo ti achianga City a chona tharma chon turin a in peya thutluk na po asiam fel to ma se Chelsea ina suman phut zat City hian an the chuak ngam lawani chuan City hian an lalu thei kher don lawa chuwangin club pahni te hi anin dor chun zom angai don ta ani in khel result lamchu kalsan ta ila Hurricane chungchang hi soilokang English striker gol khung thei zet Hurricane hian record thar asiama chu English mi zinga Germany's men's footballer of the year choimoina dong masaber record niin he choimoina hi season masa aman that ema wanga dong ani kumsamthum pathum mi Hurricane hian season masa khan bayan tan in elna chilia khela DFL Super Cup match khat khelin goal khata khunga DFB pokala match ruk khelin goal soma khunga Bundesliga match somthum pakhat khelin goal somthum paruk akhunga Champions League match som pathum khelin goal som pali akhung bok in elna chili akhela te hian match an khelzat ayatlem goal akhung mi alawa chithuma phechon match an khelzat ayatam goal akhung avain match somnga pakhat akhela goal somruk pakhat akhunga assist pasari neitelin match somnga pakhat atangin goal contribution hi somruk pariat loi anei ala fair play zuya season masa khan yellow card voithum chawachoya aba ka dang achoi mi alo season masa a Bundesliga match somthum pakhat akhela tang khan match riata chau goal contribution anei lawa match somni pathuma goal contribution nein Champions League match som pathum akhela tang khan match thuma chau goal contribution anei lo boka DFB pokala phechon match ruk akhela tang khan match tin goal akhung ji ani bayan hi Bundesliga a champion puya DFB pokala champion pui bokin DFL Super Cup a champion pui boka Champions League semi final thlen pui bokin Champions League khan champion phaise chu in elna an khel zonga an champion kim don tina ania chu an tlin talo chia ati thei season masa a bayan an hlotlin le theina konga an chakna tharui poimo chu Hurricane hi ni in a tholok zia hi journalist point an hai lawa German chanchin bulian le larta khikar magazine ina abua sai Germany's footballer of the year for sanghi somni paru khanna a journalist zaruk somko panga in vote thakin chuta tangchon Hurricane hen vote jani somsari pani amuwa sang berin he choimoina hi adong ta ania English player zinga he choimoina dong masaber le dong omchun anita ani hei wang hian England footballer of the year choimoina dong to tu hian Germany po footballer of the year choimoina adong le ta ania asu hnu ti Ropui zwal tu ni in he choimoina tunchuma adon tak hian lut zwal deuna anei boka chu Germany top league Bundesliga khel professional footballer zongjong te huam tu ani na le German player khovel ramsang sanga in khelte huam tel vek tu ani na hi ania chuwangin Hurricane hian season masa khan German player te po akhum 5 vek ti in asoi thei Hurricane hian bayan apan nuwa Bundesliga a top scorer choimoina aladong chara azon zatin season thum chung adong to hei baka hian season masa khan Europa top league sang huama gol khung thei ber kentel golden supo hurricane hian adonga gola khung thei lutuk hi Ropuina aming that zual em na ani bayana ama kai shwai mek tu Vincent company hi coach of the year thlan ani ve thunga mechelam player thabera Bayern Munich meche team captain Julia Green hi thlan ani bok ole khatichin khatun tumatana kan soi thei chu nivele photro se